Good evening, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn how to install and log in Google Meet. Before going to install Google Meet, first you know what are the requirements. Every student have mail ID and internet connection. If it is an Android mobile, click on Play Store. If it is an iPhone, click on App Store. So now I am going to click Play Store. So in here type Google Meet. So click and install. So please wait, installing. Click on open. Please wait. So log in with mail ID. So continue. Allow recorded video. Allow record audio. Now minimize the screen. So I have one URL, Google Meet URL. So click on URL. It asks just once